4 NGX stocks to watch out and buy in May 2026. It's no longer news that the Nigerian stock market has performed the strongest in the years, with market cap of 155.9 trillion naira. And with the year to date of over 55% just in April, investors are now pouring money into the Nigerian stock market like never before. Analysts are predicting 200 trillion by the end of 2026. A lot of people are confused with the way some stocks continue to surge up to 200%. They don't know whether to invest or where to invest. And if you remember, it has been raining dividend since April. I'll be showing you 4 Nigerian stocks you might consider buying in May 2026. Why should you buy these stocks and what you should look out for when you are buying these stocks? By the end of this video, you'll be able to know or tell which stocks to buy and why you should buy them. And as a bonus, I'll also be showing you what 10,000, 20,000 and 50,000 naira worth of shares can you buy with each of these stocks. Stay with me to the end of this video because one of these 4 NGX stocks might shock you. Hi, my name is Betty. I'm your financial friend. On this channel, we talk about strategic business ideas and break down investing and financial freedom in the most simple way. Picking Nigerian stocks to buy is not just buying, it's you having confidence in that company that it will continue to grow, pay dividends consistently, and have a strong management running the company. This video is for financial education and not a finance advice. Seek your financial advisor before you take any steps in buying any of the stocks. Let's dive in. The first on my list is NAHCO. NAHCO means Nigerian Aviation Holding Company. NAHCO provides these services. 1. Assist special needs passengers. 2. Load and offload passengers' luggages. 3. Handling of cargoes. And 4. They also offer technical services. Their operations are basically in all Nigerian airports. NAHCO's current share price at the time of this video is 204 naira 95 kobo. Let's look at the numbers now. Let's see how many shares of NAHCO you can buy with 20,000 naira, 50,000 naira, or even 100,000 naira. 20,000 naira will give you 97 shares, while 50,000 will give you 243 shares, and 100,000 will give you 489 shares. Why you should buy these stocks? Presently, cargo business in Nigeria is expanding and doing well due to economic logistics. They are now building warehouse capacity for cold room, for fresh foods and pharmaceutical products. Think NAHCO if you're looking for stocks to buy in May 2026. Have you liked this video? Press that subscribe button and share this video to your loved ones. So let's move on. Number 2 on my list is Zenith Bank. Zenith Bank is one of the biggest and leading bank in Nigeria today. As at the time of this video, Zenith Bank share was 125 naira. Zenith Bank has a track record of consistent dividend payouts and capital appreciation, digital banking leadership, and great client base. So let's start the numbers of what is worth buying Zenith Bank shares for 20,000 naira, 50,000 naira, and even 100,000 naira. So for 20,000 naira, you get 160. For 50,000 naira, 400 shares, and for 100,000 naira, you get 800 worth of shares. And don't forget, you will also enjoy passive income from Zenith Bank. And that is why Zenith Bank should be one of the stocks for you to watch out and buy in May 2026. The third NGX stocks for you to watch out in May 2026 to buy is MTN Nigeria. MTN Nigeria is the biggest and strongest telecommunications we have in Nigeria today. As at the time of this video, the share price of MTN Nigeria is 815 naira. MTN Nigeria is one of the biggest traded telecommunication stocks on the NGX today. They have over 80 million subscribers through these services such as data selling, Momo PSB services, digital retail businesses. The company Nigerians cannot do without using their services. So let's look at how many shares you can buy with these amounts. With 20,000 naira, you get 24 shares. With 50,000 naira, you get 61 shares. And with 100,000 naira, you get 122 shares. Now, you'll be wondering that what will you do with just 24 shares if you have 20,000 naira? The essence of this video is just for you to know the amount of shares you can buy with the resources you have at hand. Analysts predicted that MTN share will rise to 1,000 naira before the end of 2026. And that is why you should consider MTN Nigeria as part of the stocks you should be buying in May 2026. The number fourth and the final stock I have today for you to buy for this month of May is Aradel. Aradel is in the oil and gas sector. The current share price of Aradel at the time of this video is 1,880 naira. When you are investing in Aradel, you're not just investing in a company, but you're investing in a company that its core growth drivers is crude oil production. Aradel is an upstream oil producer when it comes to oil and gas. Aradel has become one of the sought-after stocks on the NGX because they have strong numbers in their revenue. Aradel is good for investors who are looking for growth. Now, let's look at these numbers. With 20,000 naira, you get 10 shares. With 50,000 naira, you get 26 shares. And with 100,000, you get 53 shares. Having said all this, you need to do your due diligence by checking each of these companies' financials. First, look at their EPS. EPS is earnings per share. How do you get their EPS? You get their EPS by dividing their profit after tax with the number of outstanding shares they have. Secondly, check their growth in the last 5 years. Thirdly, check their earning ratio. Fourthly, check their consistency in dividend paying. Fifth, check their records of payment. Lastly, check their retained earnings. This is an indicator whether they will pay their shareholders dividend. As you have come to the end of this video, before you leave, don't forget to like, press that subscribe button, and share this video to your loved ones or someone you think needs to hear this. And let me know in the comment section which of these sectors of these stocks you have invested in, or which one would you like to invest in. Also, you can tell me which of these stocks you want me to talk about in my next video. And remember, your financial wealth starts with the little decisions you make today. See you in my next video.